Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Feel yourself in this body. Feel the air fill your lungs. With every breath you take, you should feel calmer and more relaxed. As you sit firmly on the ground, think about the situation that makes you feel regretful. Notice where the feeling of regret stems from in your body and pinpoint that location. For many people, this location will be their heart. Think about why you regret the situation in the first place. This can be because you wish you would have done something differently. This can be because you wish things would have been different. Take your time and find the reason why you regret the situation. Once you identify the reason why you regret the situation, confirm it to yourself that if you could change the past, you would change the past. Confirm to yourself that you wish things could have been different. And confirm to yourself that you have learned your lesson and that this scenario and this regret will not happen again to you in the future. You have learned your lesson. Once you realize the lesson to be learned, and once you confirm to yourself that you did, in fact, learn that lesson, you are now free from any burdens and any regret. You have learned your lesson from the universe, and now you are free to move forward. What has happened in the past cannot be changed. The only benefit of reflecting backwards is to learn your lesson, and you have confirmed to yourself that you have truly learned your lesson, and that although you cannot go backward in time to change what you have done, you can move forward for the rest of your life knowing that you will not commit the same mistake twice. Notice how that location of regret that was in your body has slowly vanished, has slowly dissipated, and has left your entire body. If you still feel that sense of regret in your body, that's completely normal. Just spend some more time reflecting on what you wish you could have done differently and remind yourself of the lesson in the situation. Remind yourself that you cannot change the past, but because you have learned your lesson, you can make sure it doesn't happen again in the future. Once you have truly recognized the fact that you have made a mistake and that you have learned your lesson, the universe will naturally forgive you. And this stress, and this regret, and this pain, and this sorrow will eventually leave your body, leaving you in a peaceful and happy position, leaving you as a more experienced soul, and leaving you with happiness, with peace and knowledge. As this regret leaves your body, you will feel lighter. You will feel the burdens leaving your body, and you will feel the pressure leaving your body. The only thing about the past that you should maintain is the lesson that you learned. And once you have convinced yourself that you have learned your lesson, this lesson will stay in your mind. Life is an experience, and you are the experiencer. It is time for you to forgive yourself, to learn your lesson, and to move forward, and to keep appreciating this beautiful thing that we call life. What happened in the past cannot be changed, and therefore the past should not bound you from being happy and from being at peace. Remind yourself of this, and your body will be immune to regret. You will be immune to sorrow, and you will naturally keep evolving as a conscious individual. Regret has no space in your life. Once you have learned your lesson, you are free to move forward. As you feel your body getting lighter and looser, thank yourself for taking away a valuable lesson and learning something. Thank yourself for having the opportunity to make mistakes so that you can learn from them and grow as a human being. Thank yourself for not giving up on yourself and for moving forward. Maintain this internal dialogue, and you will never have regret ever again. Once you are ready to awaken from your meditation, start by doing so slowly. Bring your awareness back into your current body by slowly bringing circulation into your body. Start by moving your toes, then your fingers, then your wrist in a rotating motion. Then bring circulation into your shoulders by rotating them in a circular motion. And bring circulation into your neck by turning it left and right, comfortably, giving it a nice stretch. Once you feel your awareness is back into your body, as you open your eyes, recognize how much more the present moment feels beautiful to you. You are not bounded by anything that has happened in the past, and you have come out of this exercise as a different person, as a person who is more mature, as a person who has learned a life lesson, and as a person who is not willing to give up. Thank you.